Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. Today is August 30th, and what I want to do is talk about my online journey, information that could really help people to kind of figure out what to do when they start working online, what to expect, and what is really important when you are online. Of course, I'm going to start today with some proof of payments that I received, and I just want to do that because I want people to know that what I'm saying is true and it is extremely possible to earn a full-time income online when you know what you're doing and you are truly dedicated to earning a full-time income online. So for those that don't know, I'm a single mom of two. I've been online since 2015. I had my breakthrough in the end of 2016, and I've been generating a full-time income online ever since. And I'm showing others exactly how to do that. So if you're interested in some coaching, whether it's for a business that you already have or a business where you're trying to produce results, I am here to help you with that. So what I wanted to do is I logged into my authorized.net account, which is where I received my payments. This is my name, Amanda Ray. That's me, guys. Thanks so much for watching my video. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not yet already subscribed. Okay, that's extremely important. So what I wanted to do is just show you these numbers. I went all the way back from January of 2018, which is the beginning of this year, up until August 29th, which was yesterday. I have brought in a total net profit, a net of income of $172,000, over $172,000. And I had a little bit of refunds, 10 total, which came up to $1,168. But I'm just extremely excited because this just goes to show you what's possible when you put your mind to it. You have the right leadership and coaching in order to be successful online. And guys, this here is just one source of income, okay? And I just want people to know that this didn't happen overnight, but with consistency, I was able to generate this type of money. And I'm going to tell you the shortcomings of most people that are online, where they're actually messing up at, and how to do better to get the results that you're looking for to leave your daytime job. Most people out there only needs to make a percentage of this money in order to leave their job, a small percentage. And I'm going to show you how that's possible for you to be able to do so without getting into these little pitfalls, which is what I call them, online, and being able to generate income consistently by watching out for some of these things where most people have their failure. So I did a little PowerPoint presentation, and I just want to go over that with you guys, okay? And it's just basically called How to Prevent Online Failure, okay? And I put this together because this is the thing that I noticed the most with myself and other people, where they're not able to have their financial breakthrough because there's some of these failures that they're having online over and over and over again with every program that they get involved in, okay? And it's just like, sorry guys, this gum is getting real disgusting. It's just one of those things that people it's like a hamster on a wheel. Every time they join a new program, a new opportunity, they're having these pitfalls, okay, which is allowing them to just kind of go around in circles like a hamster on a wheel. So I remember really clear my first year online. These are some of the things that I was doing that wasn't allowing me to make the money that I needed to make online, okay? So this is what I want to go over. Basically, the first one is consistency. You have to put it in your head that when you find where you want to be, you're going to be consistent, and you're not going to stop until you win. You can't think that the program that you're in is not giving you the results that you need because the program doesn't work. And I think a lot of people are really shooting themselves in the foot too soon. They're starting and stopping before they actually see the results that they want because they're not consistent enough, thinking that the program is not working, but it's just that they're not giving it enough time. They're not giving themselves enough time to actually build their online business in this journey. So consistency is number one, and that's key, okay? The second thing that's really important is a marketing budget. You have to have some type of budget when you're first starting your online journey so that you can start producing some results. And there's no right or wrong amount for a budget. You just have to get started. Okay. And that's the thing. Some people start running traffic and then they stop, or they start putting money into a traffic source and then they stop. And in order for it to really work and produce the results you're looking for, it needs to be consistent. So you have to come up with a budget, like how you pay your cell phone bill every month. It's just the same thing, but it's a budget for your business. Okay. And everyone needs to have some sort of budget. If you're a mother of two like me, you're on an income, you're on a budget for your income, you need to just have a budget and you need to stick with it. Okay. The third thing is information overload. We get into having to learn everything in the beginning, having to know everything in the beginning. And it doesn't have to be that way. You don't have to know everything. You don't have to do all of the training in 1 week. You actually need to break everything down and apply it as you go on, step by step. So once you learn something, apply what you learned and move on to the next. If you can't apply it right then and there, move on to the next and leave whatever you learned the first time around alone. You don't want to, you learn Twitter, but you really don't want to use Twitter. And then you learn Facebook, but you really don't want to use Facebook. You need to get away from what you're learning if you're not going to apply it, and then do what it is that you feel like, and master that one thing that you feel you can do really well at. That's really important. So information overload. So what I realized is that in the beginning, when I would join a program, it would be so much training in the back office that I would, and then I wouldn't look at the opportunity for a long time after that. So I would join, I would start the training, and then I would stop, and I wouldn't even start the process because it was so much. You want to break it down little bit by little bit and know that it's going to take time to learn everything, and you need to just pull out what's most important when you are starting an online journey. Everything else, you need to just leave it to the side. It's not really worth it. It's a headache. The other thing is the right program. So a lot of people are in a program that they love, that they trust, they think they know it, they think that that's something that they want to do, but every program isn't the right program. Okay. A lot of people get into pre-launches or programs that they think is going to make them a lot of money in a short period of time, and you really don't want to focus on that. You want to focus on a program that's been around for at least 5 years or longer, that's paying out either daily or weekly, and that has a really good track record, which means if you went on YouTube, you could see a lot of people that are producing results. If you went on Facebook, you see people that are producing results. That's what you want. In the beginning, you don't want to just keep jumping around and going into everything that is, like, they call it the shiny object syndrome. Okay. So everything that you see looks like gold, but actually it's really not. Like when you cut off, when you wipe off the surface, underneath is like a rock. So you want to really stay away from that shiny object syndrome. Find a program that's established, having results, and you want to work on, pretty much keeping that alive. Okay. And mastering that program before you move on to the next. And last but not least is sponsorship and mentorship. You want to make sure that you have a sponsor or a mentor that's actually doing good in the business. Not only that, not only just doing well, but they have time to spend with you. They are able to take some time to kind of answer some of the questions that you may have. Now, that doesn't mean to put your feel like that this person, because you spent money with them or because they're your sponsor, that they have to do everything. You still have to do your work and the education on your part, but they should be there to kind of mentor you along the way and have some things available for you that's going to help guide you along the way and even answer some questions. So a lot of people say that I got with a person and they don't help me. They're not there for me. They don't help me. So can you do it? Nobody wants to do it for free because time is money, right? So in the beginning, you want to make sure you find the right sponsor. You want to have the right mentorship right in the beginning, because that person should be able to guide you to the success that you're looking for. Okay. So I get that all the time. Like, my sponsor doesn't answer the phone, or they're not helping me, or they're not around to help me, and they want me to do it, but they want me to do it for free. I have to give my time to the people that spent money with me, that believe in me, that trust me, right? So being able to have the right sponsorship and leadership right from the beginning Okay, that's extremely important. And these are just some ways that you can prevent that online failure. Okay, these are some of the things that you can do to kind of get you started in the process. So if you want information about the program that is my number one recommendation for this online journey, you can click on the description in the description box below, and I'll go ahead and be able to assist you with that. And I'm here to help. I'm here to inspire because I am a single mom, and I know there's so many single moms out there that's looking for, um, and dads that's looking for an online success, that's looking to make money other than at their daytime job. That's what I'm here to do. So thanks so much for watching my video. Thanks for joining me. Please subscribe to my channel to follow my online success, and I will be back with you again tomorrow. Have a great day.